Isomerism of alkanes. The first 3 carbons of alkane of the series. The first 3 carbons, the first 3 hydrocarbons of alkanes of the series, that is methane, that is ethane, propane, do not exhibit isomerism. Means what? Methane have no isomer, has no isomer. Ethane has no isomer. Propane has no isomer because of the number of what? Number of carbons which are there. They cannot exhibit what we call it isomerism. Kwa hawezi ukaandika isomer kwa hizi 3. Lakini zinazofuata sasa unaweza ukaandika isomers. Zote zinazofuata you can write isomers. Now the next hydrocarbons, that is alkane from butane, as we go higher in the series, that is with the increase in number of carbons, the number of isomers increases also. So in short, the number of isomers increases as the number of carbons increases. As you keep on increasing the number of carbons, you are increasing what we call it isomers. So for the butane has only 1 isomer. The second one may have 2 isomers. The third one may have 6. So number of isomers increases as you increase the number of carbons. Kwa number of carbons zinaongezeka. Zinapoongezeka number of carbons ndipo isomers na zenyewe zinafanyaje? Zinaongezeka. Kwa uwe makini. Kwa hiyo isomers, hakuna isomers za hizi methane, ethane na propane. Lakini kuanzia butane sasa number of isomers zinaongezeka. Why? Because number of carbons increases as you move high. Sawa? So then here it is. Example butane. We have normal butane and we have isobutane. Remember, isomerism is all about understanding that the molecular formula is the same, but the structural formula is different. Means the molecular formula for normal butane and molecular formula for isobutane is the same. But what is difference is what we call it the structural formula. Kwa tunapasema isomerism au isomers ni zile compound ambazo molecular formula inakuwa ni moja, lakini structural formula inakuwa ni tofauti. Kwa mfano ukiangalia hapa molecular formula ni C4H10. This is for butane. And here C4H10. But the structural formula is different. When you look here, we have 3 hydrogen, then 5 plus 2, we have 5, plus 2, we have 7, plus 3, we have 10. We have 10 number of hydrogen and 4 number of carbons. The same applied to here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number of carbons. Then 3, 3, 3, 9 plus 1, 10. So the structural formula is different, but molecular formula is the same. That is what we term as what we call it isomers. Now we have 2 isomers here, but in pentane we have this one, N-pentane, normal pentane, isopentane, and neopentane. So all of this N-pentane have 5 carbons and 12 hydrogen. Isopentane have 5 carbons and 12 hydrogen. The same as in neopentane have 12 hydrogen and 5 carbons. But when you look at their structure, they are different. And that is the meaning of isomers. So they have got different structural formula, but the same molecular formula. Kwa lazima uwe makini sana hapo kuziangalia zikoje. Hexane, this pentane have 3 isomers. Hexane have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane have 5 isomers. So whenever you look at them, every isomer of hexane have got carbon 6 and hydrogen 14. 14 number of hydrogens are there and also 6 number of carbons are there. But structural are different. So the structure is different. But when you look at the molecular formula, you find it the same. Kwa hiyo isomers molecular formula inafanana lakini structural formula inakuwa iko tofauti, and that is the meaning of isomers. And in short, the number of isomers increases as we increase the number of carbons, and that is definitely something very important for you to understand it. What are the isomers? You may definitely explain. Those are the organic compounds which have got the same molecular formula but different structural formula, and when you look at it, they are different, but when you go in detail, you find that they have got the same molecular formula. That is all.